When it comes to seating on the go, finding the best folding stool can save you time and hassle. These stools are compact, portable, and built to handle different activities, whether indoors or outdoors. In today's video, we'll highlight some of the top folding stools that stand out in terms of durability, design, and convenience. Let's take a closer look at which ones really stand out. Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool. The Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool is the ideal solution for anyone seeking a practical and reliable stool without spending a fortune. Its 300-pound weight capacity ensures that it can comfortably support adults while still being safe enough for kids, making it a versatile tool for all family members. The stool's slim, foldable design allows for easy storage in small spaces, perfect for apartments or homes with limited room. Its gripped stepping surface and built-in handle add to its safety features, preventing slips and making it easier to carry around. Whether you're reaching high cabinets in the kitchen, helping a toddler at the sink, or just need a portable seat, this step stool excels in functionality. What truly sets this stool apart is its affordable price point of just $12.99, making it an exceptional value for the quality it offers. With over 73,000 ratings and an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that users love its practicality and durability. While it lacks some of the features of more expensive models like additional height adjustments or premium materials, the Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool delivers exactly what you need for everyday tasks. For anyone in search of a reliable, space-saving solution, this stool offers an unbeatable blend of affordability, functionality, and safety. CKO Folding Step Stool. The CKO Folding Step Stool stands out as an exceptional choice for those seeking a durable, space-saving, and safe step stool. With a 400-pound weight capacity, it provides reliable support for both adults and kids. Its reinforced construction features added plastic steel bars and plastic corner reinforcements, making it more robust and capable of handling heavy use without compromising its reliability. This stool's safety-first design is evident with its non-slip surface and rubberized corner, ensuring stability on various surfaces and preventing slips. The movable handle further adds to its ease of use and portability, making it a versatile option for all sorts of tasks, from reaching high shelves in the kitchen to extra seating at a picnic. What truly sets the CKO step stool apart is its foldable design, making it easy to store in tight spaces. Whether you need it indoors, in the office, or during outdoor activities like camping or fishing, it delivers reliable performance without taking up valuable space when not in use. At $29.99 with 25% off, this step stool offers great value. It combines strong construction, safety features, and versatility at an affordable price, making it an excellent option for anyone needing extra height or support around the home or outdoors. ACSTEP Folding Step Stool. The ACSTEP Folding Step Stool is a standout choice for anyone in need of a sturdy, reliable, and space-saving stool. With a 300-pound weight capacity, it offers exceptional durability for both adults and kids. Made of heavy-duty plastic, this stool is designed to handle daily use without compromising strength or stability. One of the stool's most user-friendly features is its ergonomic carrying handle, allowing for quick folding and easy portability. Whether you need it in the kitchen, bathroom, or even outdoors, the stool is ready to go. The non-slip surface and anti-slip rubber straps on the feet provide maximum grip, ensuring safety during use. This makes it a reliable option for a variety of tasks, from reaching high shelves to providing an extra seat at picnics. Designed with safety in mind, the squash and round corner protection prevents injuries, especially for young children. The stool is perfect for indoor use and can even handle light outdoor tasks. At just $11.99 with a 20% discount, the ACSTEP Folding Step Stool provides outstanding value for anyone looking for a versatile, durable step stool. While it's designed for flat surfaces, its mix of quality construction, affordable price, and safety features makes it a top contender for your next household tool. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool. The Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool offers an excellent balance of durability, portability, and functionality, making it a perfect choice for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone in need of a reliable collapsible stool. Designed with a patented fish scale structure, this stool provides impressive strength and can support up to 400 pounds, making it one of the sturdier options in its class. The reinforced side support and tilt resistance ensure that the stool remains stable, even under heavy use. Weighing only 2.54 pounds and with a compact diameter of 9.84 inches, It is extremely portable and easy to carry with the adjustable strap. Whether you're camping, fishing, hiking, or attending a BBQ, this stool fits perfectly into a variety of outdoor scenarios. The stool's smooth, retractable mechanism allows for quick setup and storage, and it can be adjusted to 12 different heights from 2.36 inches to 17.72 inches, catering to various needs. Another notable feature is the self-open prevention, which ensures that the stool stays closed during transportation, adding an extra layer of convenience. With its affordable price point, the Boreeman upgraded folding stool delivers outstanding value, combining strength, portability, and ease of use for all your outdoor and indoor activities. TAVR Portable Folding Chair. The TAVR Portable Folding Chair offers a blend of strength, portability, and comfort, making it a standout choice for those in need of flexible seating. With a 500 pounds weight capacity, this stool is crafted from heavy-duty steel for enhanced durability, ensuring it can support both adults and children without issue. The stool's X-shaped leg structure provides stability, ensuring that it won't wobble during use. And the integrated footrest offers extra comfort for long periods of sitting. Weighing just 4.5 pounds, the stool is easy to carry thanks to the built-in carry handle, making it ideal for a variety of settings such as dorms, kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor activities like camping, BBQs, and picnics. The stool's compact size makes it highly portable, while the UV-protected plastic ensures that it can withstand the elements, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Another benefit is its easy-to-clean surface, which maintains its appearance over time. The stool folds up for quick storage, fitting easily behind doors or in small closets, making it a great choice for those with limited space. Whether used for extra seating at home or outdoor adventures, the TAVR Furniture Portable Folding Chair provides durability, comfort, and convenience at a great value.